Okay, I'm gonna give you my summary of like the theory of the mind or whatever as it pertains to algebraic psychology. You ready? Here we go. Imagine mind, body, soul. Each one of those flats equals a side. You take that side, you move it over here, you end up with a cube, right? Complex. Okay. Take that cube, bow, it's complex. But guess what? I can solve the cube, but I can only solve one cube, can't solve the cube for the whole world. So I took the cube and threw it up on the wall. Bam! Each one of the colors on the wall represents one of the colors of our emotion. Joy, frustration, fear, love, aware, unaware. Mind, body, soul. Get it? Mind, body, soul. Once you understand that the emotions are in disarray, you can take that onto the wall and start moving them around and try to create simplicity. Simplicity is comfort, simplicity is easy, simplicity is survival, and simplicity is thrival. So that's what we're going to do with the game. But you can't just go and move in blocks willy-nilly. There's constraints. Why? Because every piece is connected just like the cube. Every time you move one cube, certain other areas of the cube move. Same thing with this. When you move this, you also have to move this. So that's the idea is that by playing the game together, we can oscillate between mind, body, soul's various states and move from complexity to simplicity, harmony, unity. When you get a group of organisms organizing, it's organic and orgasmic. Ow! I think that might be an orgy. Etymology is fun, right? I don't know the meaning of these words. Remember yesterday we were talking about complexity and how that's like challenging in the three like paradigms of consciousness? Well, cool thing about the intellect, it's a pattern recognizer and it helps you identify the smaller parts that make things complex. The cool thing about being human is that we're pretty profound pattern recognizers. Our ability to use language means that we can use those patterns in different ways to create complexity, which is kind of what I've done here. So through the use of patterns, I've created a kind of visual language. Under every blue is a yellow, under every green is a pink, under every pink is a white, under every white is a red, under every red is a blue, and so on and so forth. So by understanding the pattern, you can comprehend the language. The idea is that by creating a relationship, i.e. a metaphor between the colors and the emotions, and then using a pattern to understand the complexity, we actually have a better understanding of our emotions through recognizing patterns. So I took the 6 basic emotions and represented them as 6 colors, and then I took the relationship between those emotions and represented them in the pattern. But the pattern between those emotions is far more complex than what's on the wall, which is why I need to do the event to find out where the model breaks down.